In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your projects in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable structure that keeps your projects clear, organized, and easy to update as your work evolves. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want your projects to live. You'll be working in the File Explorer on the left side where you can create folders and notes. If you don't see it, toggle the File Explorer pane so you can view your folder tree comfortably. A good Obsidian project system has 3 layers. Think of it like this: a top-level hub that acts as your dashboard and index, a space where each project gets its own dedicated page, and a place for tasks so you can track actions across projects. Keeping these 3 layers separate helps you navigate quickly and avoid mixing high-level planning with day-to-day task noise. Create your first folder and name it Project Hub. This is your command center. You'll use it to see everything at a glance, so keep it easy to find in your vault. The clearer this hub is, the easier it is to make decisions about what to work on. Next, create another folder and name it Project Pages. This is where each project will eventually get its own note. Those notes can include goals, scope, notes from meetings, resources, and links. By keeping these pages together, you'll always know where to look when you need the details for a single project. Create a third folder and call it Task Management. This is your action layer. You can store running task lists, daily or weekly review notes, and any task queries you prefer. If you use checkboxes or a task plugin, this folder is a great place to centralize them. The key is that tasks live here, while plans and context stay with the project pages. Now, in your Project Hub folder, create a new note and name it List of Active Projects. This note is your live dashboard of what's currently in motion. You can keep it simple. List each active project by name and, if helpful, include a short description, a target outcome, and a date. Later, you can link each item to its project page for quick navigation, but keep the list clean and scannable. Create another note in the Project Hub and name it List of Upcoming Incubating Projects. Use this for ideas and projects you're not actively executing yet. It keeps future work out of your way until you're ready to promote it to active. That's it. You now have a clear 3-layer system ready to grow with your work.